Hi there! I guess if you're watching this video, it's either because you really love my videos or because you're interested in the Ulefone S10 Pro, which is a relatively affordable smartphone. You know what? It's a cheap smartphone, okay? And if it's a good purchase or not, we're about to find out. Hi everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the VR guy, and in this video I would like to share with you what I think of the Ulefone S10 Pro smartphone. I've been using it for several weeks before making this video, and you can read my full review of this smartphone on my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. First, let me show you what comes inside the package. The best thing here is that I received the smartphone with the screen protector and the protective case. I purchased it for approximately $70, and the price is definitely one of its strengths. The measurements, weight and boring rectangular design of the smartphone are quite standard. The Ulefone S10 Pro runs Android 8.1 operating system that is known as Oreo, but you should know that there's already a newer Android version. For some reason, when I swiped between screens and apps, I noticed a slight delay that remained even after I updated the smartphone and apps. It was a bit disappointing because I didn't encounter this issue with other smartphones that offers a similar price range and specifications. At the back of the S10 Pro, it has a fingerprint sensor that works well. At the top, you can see the micro USB port to charge the smartphone, and next to it is a 3.5mm headphones jack. Please note that the S10 Pro doesn't offer NFC chip, so you should ask yourself if there are any services that you're using and requires this technology. It has a built-in rechargeable battery with a relatively large capacity of 3350 mAh. The battery seems to be reliable and should easily last for more than a day, but then again, it depends on what type of use you'll be making with the smartphone. You can use the Ulefone S10 Pro with up to 2 SIM cards, one micro SIM and the other nano SIM. It has a built-in storage space of 16 GB, plus you can extend it using a micro SD card up to 128 GB. Both SIM card slots are compatible with various networks including 4G. The screen size is 5.7 inches and the display's resolution is 720 on 1498 pixels, which is quite good. The sound quality during phone calls is okay, while the built-in speaker is reasonable, but not more than that. Though the camera specifications are promising, you should remember that this is an affordable smartphone. So although it will do the job, it isn't going to be close to premium smartphone cameras.
Hi everyone, right now I'm shooting this video using the Ulefone S10 Pro Rear camera, so I hope you can have an impression how it looks like.
Hi everyone, right now I'm shooting this video using the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 camera, so I hope you can have a good indication how it looks like compared to the Ulefone S10 Pro. Overall, the Ulefone S10 Pro is a reasonable purchase if you need a cheap smartphone to make phone calls, run basic apps, surf the web and watch videos. You will have to settle for the performance, camera and the absence of NFC chip, which I personally think are things that many of the potential users of smartphones in this price range can live without them. Well boys and girls, this was my video review of the Ulefone S10 Pro. For more details on this smartphone, please check the description of the video, and if you still have any questions, leave a comment and I will do my best to help. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to give it a like. You can also subscribe to my other YouTube channels, check my other social pages and profiles, and visit my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye.